Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will share the installation of 5.5 kilowatt hybrid system with a battery backup. We have recently installed this system in Islamabad premises. Well, first we would discuss about the solar panels. You can see the panels we have installed here, the solar panels, and the wattage of the panels are 370 watt mono PERC, and these are made by the Z & Shine Tier 1 A grade, having 25 years performance warranty and 10 years replacement warranty. Well, let's discuss about the structure first. The structure we have used here L3, which is 14 gauge galvanized, rust free, and we have its rooftop mounted structure. And the design we have used here, the 7 panels we have installed in the series, and similar other panels we have installed the 7 as well in series, and then we have parallel together. You can see the specification of the panel: 370 watt, 1500 volt. These panels are designed, and well, we did try to install properly, and we have used here Y connector as well for the parallel. We did try our best so the cable can cover as much as we can cover it. So there's a structure. Again, you can see the panel's quality, and you can have an idea about the quality of these cells. As you know, mono is having a better efficiency in a weak light, and even it can perform a better yield as compared to the polycrystalline. Even the temperature, before we were supposed to that the mono have a better means not better resistance as compared to poly. Well, that is changed now. The PERC technology, they have improved very much temperature coefficient. So now let's discuss about the inverter which we have installed. The inverter which we have installed, it's a 5.5 kilowatt, that is VM2 model, and we are using here with battery but without WAPDA, and it's DB we have designed, and we have installed all the 2 DC breakers. One is for the PV and another for the battery as well, and these are the batteries. These are 230 ampere or Osaka, made by Osaka, 1 year warranty as well. So this is a complete the solar installation which we have done recently. If you have any comments, please give us your valuable feedback. Thank you so much.